SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to remove Sent from my iPhone on iPhone 16. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're noticing that the emails that you send from your iPhone include a line at the end that says Sent from my iPhone, then this might be a setting that you would like to change. Fortunately, you can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Apps option at the bottom of this screen. And then you can scroll through the alphabetical list of apps on your phone until you get to Mail, and then you can select that. Now you just need to scroll to the bottom of this screen where you're going to find a signature option in the composing section. So now you just need to select this, and then you can tap inside the signature field, and you can delete the current signature, which likely says Sent from my iPhone. And then once this field is empty, that means you're not going to include any signature at all. If you would like to include a signature, then you can just type that content or you can type that information into this text field. And once you're done, just tap the Mail button at the top left corner of the screen, and that's going to take you back to the Mail menu, where you'll see your current signature listed to the right of here. Note that I don't have a signature set, so this is just blank.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.